Hi, and welcome to a new awesome tutorial, and today we've got something really special feature to learn. So today we'll be learning how to increase your conversions with embedded forms. Yay! Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on the tutorial and let's see how the embedded forms helps you capture more conversions. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're on the Automizely Marketing Admin panel. And once you're here on this page, make sure you click on Pop-ups and Forms section. Or just simply click on this link. Excellent. Now, once you're on this page, on the Pop-ups and Forms page, go ahead and choose an embedded form template from all of these templates. So I'll go ahead and choose this template. So go ahead and click on the one you like. Awesome. Now, as you can see, we've got our form on the right side and our settings on the left. Go ahead and give your form a name. Don't worry, this will only be visible to you and not your customers. So I'll put in embedded form 001. Going down, we've got coupon first. So I'll choose no coupon, or you can choose the coupon campaign. Go ahead and select a coupon and I'll choose a welcome pop-up. Going down to countdown. This would be a timer. So in other terms, there will be a time limit for them to enter their email before it expires, just to force them to act faster. So go ahead and enable that if you want that. I'll click on enable and I'll choose in a date and time. I'll just choose in something random. Time, let's pick 12 a.m. Perfect. Next up, we've got timing. So you can have a fixed time, but I'll just leave it as it is. Okay, so let's move on towards the text section. And in this section, you can edit your text, your header, description, form information collection type, primary action, and your text. So let me edit the header. I'll just remove the last bits. So it's get $10 off only. And as you can see, as soon as I do that, it changes the form in real time. So you have complete flexibility when it comes to visual customization. Form type. Let me pick first and last name. I'll keep the rest as it is. You can change it up according to your needs. Let's go ahead and move on to the style section. And in this section, you can choose the size, alignment, font, layout, and your image, and as well as your background color, text color, and description color. You can also change your primary action text color and its background color. Okay, so let's mess up with the layout. Instead of color, let's choose background. And as you can see, how it quickly changes it to a different background style. You can also show and hide the image in mobile view. It's all up to you. So go ahead and change the bottom and everything else here until it looks perfect for your brand and your business. And once you're done, just click on the save button to make sure you don't lose any progress. Awesome. So the embedded form has been saved successfully. And as you can see, all your forms are in your form campaign section. This is the recent one we were working on. So let's go ahead and click on it. And once you do click on it, make sure you click on publish. It'll give you a pop-up warning saying that if you'd like to check one last time before publishing your form, because it will appear on your site. So just click on publish. If you would rather check, do that. And once it's all good and you like how it looks, just click on publish. Perfect. So there is one last step to embed your form. So we will give you a code that you can put in your website. And that depends on where you want it on your website. So the spot where you want the form to appear on your website, that's the spot where we should embed the code, which is this code. And this has all your settings and colors and everything. So just simply copy this and paste the code where you want your form to appear on your website. Let's go ahead and copy it. Perfect. Now click on Edit on Shopify. And now we're on Shopify. So you'll be sent to the themes section automatically once you click on edit on Shopify. And once you're here, just click on the customize button. And under your collection list, click on add section. And then you'd want to click on custom liquid. Then click on the custom liquid section that you just made and paste your embed code in this box here. Perfect. Now click on save. Now let's go back and exit your store. And then click on the I button next to the online store in Shopify to see how your store looks and whether or not our custom code works. Okay, so let's go down and see. And yes, we've successfully added our embedded code and it has the $10 off, time limit, a box for their name, last name, and their email address, along with a subscribe button that we had in our settings. Now let's go ahead and customize our form again. And now let's go ahead and adjust the position of our form, for embedded form, by dragging it up and down and wherever we would want our form to appear. There you go. It's really very simple. Go ahead and scroll up and down to see if it fits properly on your store. And once you're done, click on save. Now let's exit and go back to Automizely. Now let's say if you accidentally close this and you don't know where to get your code again, just go ahead and click on the 3-dotted icon next to edit on your form and click on embed code. And there you go. That's your embed code that you can easily access. And you can also remove your form by clicking on unpublish option here. And you can also publish it back up again if you want to. And that's a wrap of another awesome tutorial. Make sure you give us a like, thumbs up, and a comment. Also, if you're facing any kind of issues with any of our tutorials, just give us a comment or drop us an email and we will discuss your problem instantly to make sure this works out for you the way it works out for us. Thank you once again. It has been a pleasure. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care, good luck, and I'll see you next time.